Hello, I'm Angus Hines here at the Bureau of Meteorology. This is a severe weather update regarding rainfall across South Australia, which has already started falling in many areas, as we can see from the radar imagery through this morning. This long band of rain stretches from Victoria through southeastern SA, across Adelaide, across the Eyre Peninsula and up towards the northwest. Do note that in this part of the country here, we don't have perfect radar coverage, so there's likely to be a bit more rainfall than what we can actually see on the radar network. Rain has started to tick up, 15 to 25 millimetres in places. So far, not especially heavy, but it's just a taste of what's to come this weekend. Let's switch away from the radar, which is an observation of what's already happened, and into the forecast as we look at how this might change through the remainder of this weekend. Rain is likely to continue in this band from the northwest to the southeast of the state on Saturday, and on Sunday we might see it waver a little bit, but it doesn't move anywhere dramatic, doesn't move anywhere quickly. In particular on Sunday, note the darker blues that come in here around the Eyre Peninsula. This region here in the southern part of central South Australia becomes the focus point for quite heavy rain on Sunday, persistent falls pretty much all day. It's likely to stay wet here into Monday as well, although with the development of these two low pressure centres towards the end of the weekend and early next week, we could see the rainfall pattern shift a bit more significantly on Monday. So this here through the centre, this is where our warning is located. This yellow region is the severe weather warning for heavy rain stretching from the Eyre Peninsula up towards the centre of the state around Coober Pedy. How much rain are we expecting? Well, a decent tally actually. This is the rainfall totals up to Tuesday, and we'd anticipate widespread values of over 50 millimetres around the Eyre Peninsula in particular, but some places, particularly on the eastern side of Eyre Peninsula, could be up over 100 millimetres. Now, this is typically quite a dry part of the country. The average rainfall throughout the whole of December is somewhere in the realm of 15 to 30 millimetres. So for a lot of places, this weekend will represent 2 months of rainfall, if not more than that, for this given time of year. It's not only South Australia seeing the rain this weekend, certainly the heaviest falls are located through the middle here, but there will be some decent rainfall tallies ticking up through Victoria, maybe the far south of New South Wales, Tasmania, and even parts of the NT and southern parts of Western Australia. Just before we wrap up, a word on temperatures. This is not part of the warning, but worth a comment anyway, because we have had a long run of very, very hot weather around South Australia, but that has now come to a close for most. It remains very hot around the northeast of the state, 44 degrees on Saturday in Moomba, and very hot for New South Wales and parts of Queensland. But the rest of South Australia, significantly colder, 15 degrees or more cooler compared to this time yesterday in many locations, including a 17-degree maximum forecast for Saturday in Adelaide. There will be further wet weather on the way this weekend and throughout the start of next week, so do stay up to date with the latest regarding rainfall and warnings. You know where to find it, bom.gov.au, the BOM Weather app, and we'll keep updating you on social media as well. That's it for now. Catch you next time.